Hi, this screencast is going to be going over packet pages 13 and 14. In this first half, we'll be going over the map of North America, which extends all the way down to Panama, and South America. The Spanish-speaking countries in this region can be remembered by the saying, my grandpa eats hot, not cold pizza. You do need to be able to recognize these countries, so go ahead and jot them down. It starts this way. M for my is Mexico, Mexico. G, Guatemala. Eats, this little teeny tiny country here is El Salvador. This one right here is Belize, and they don't speak Spanish, so we're not focused on them. So my grandpa eats Mexico, Guatemala, El Salvador. Hot, Honduras. Not Nicaragua. Cold, Costa Rica. Pizza, Panama. So once again, my grandpa eats hot, not cold pizza. Mexico, Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. Good. Let's move on to South America. South America can be remembered with the saying, Vinnie Cole, the name of a guy, eats peanut butter, practicing and understanding Chinese. So picture a guy eating peanut butter as he's speaking and understanding Chinese. That one starts here, Vinny, Venezuela. Cole, Colombia. Eats, Ecuador. And it's named Ecuador because it's right on the equator. And that's how you say equator and in Spanish. Vinny Cole eats peanut butter, Peru. And the accent is important. The butter is for Bolivia. Vinny Cole eats peanut butter. So we have practicing, Paraguay. And Argentina. Understanding Uruguay. Chinese, Chile. That one's a little bit different because it goes out of order. So you have Vinnie Cole eats peanut butter, practicing and understanding Chinese. Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Paraguay, Argentina, Uruguay, Chile. Good. We've got a couple more. In the Caribbean, we have Cuba. This little tiny one right here, Puerto Rico. And then half of this island right here, República Dominicana, or Dominican Republic. There's one more. If you scroll down to the bottom of your page, in the middle of your page, there is a map of the world, and that one country that's left is España, Spain. Spain is in Europe. Good. Take a look at page 14. Okay, so this information is on packet page 14, and you might be wondering, why are we going over the map? And we're going over the map because we're going over this big question, de dónde eres? De dónde eres means, where are you from? And we need to know which Spanish-speaking countries exist in the world so we can talk about where people are from. To answer it, you say, soy de, and then the name of a country. So I would say, soy de Estados Unidos, or United States. I could also be more specific and say, soy de Milwaukee, because I grew up in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. To ask it formally, because de dónde eres is the familiar way to ask it, you would say, ¿De dónde es usted? Remember that you can replace usted with someone's name. ¿De dónde es Señora Geocaris? ¿De dónde es Señor Longo? Remember the rules for formal questions. Someone older than you, someone you don't know well, and therefore you do not use their first name, or someone you want to show respect. To ask about someone else, you would ask ¿De dónde es plus a name? So for example, we're having a conversation in class and we see someone walking by and we would say ¿De dónde es Nicolás? Where is he from? ¿De dónde es Isabel? Where is she from? To answer the question about someone else, you would say es de and the location. You could also include someone's name before the es de to clarify. Nicolás es de Gurnee. Isabel es de Peru. Good.